Hey everyone, in this video we'll talk about changing your currency in Phantom Wallet. So here we are in Phantom Wallet and I'm just going to stay here on the settings page. And what I can tell you is from looking through here and looking for any information related to changing your currency, I was unable to find anything. After doing a search online, I discovered that at the moment you are unable to change the currency to anything aside from USD. So that essentially answers that question for now. If you are interested in changing your currency with Phantom Wallet, at the moment it is only going to show in USD. So if that changes in the near future, that's up to the developers to do that. And that's pretty much all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.